So now we down to our last two fragrances, man, and you already know this is one of my favorite houses when it comes to niche fragrances, and we have here is Argos Sacred Mother Effing Flames, man. If we're talking about sexy, delicious fruit beast mode fragrances, this fragrance is absolutely king. To me, man, this is one of the best fruity fragrances on the freaking market that I love from the house of Argos, and I feel people are really sleeping on that house, man. Argos got freaking bangers, and you guys should be checking those bangers out. And this right here is an absolute savage. Fruity, it is juicy, it is absolutely mother effing watering, and these girls love this fragrance. Every time I put this bad boy on, it is compliment after compliment after compliment. So boys, if you want to elevate your game, make sure you check Argos Sacred Flame, because this fragrance is absolutely phenomenal. And as a bonus, your boy is going to provide you guys with a link to get yourself some samples from the house of Argos. Make sure you check them out before you try this fragrance, because you can try pretty much every single scent of the Argos house, and it's going to elevate your game. Their scent profile is absolutely amazing.